Hi everyone. Today I will show you how to get point coordinates in AutoCAD. Let's start. First I will draw a point and then I will draw a line and then we will check the coordinates. I will type point and select here. So this is my point. You can change the representation of the point. Type PT. Now this is a point style. You select anyone. I will select this one. Okay. So now if you want to know what is the position of this point on the screen, first we will use list, type list list and select the object. Enter. Now this is the position of the point on the screen or on the drawing. And this is the first method. Second method, type change properties, select the coordinates and you will get the position here. These are the position. So now I will create a line for better understanding. I will create a line here. Now, if you want to know what is the point of the start of this line, simply type here ID and select the endpoint, and you will find the coordinates here 20 and y is 18. So this is with the help of the ID. Now, if you want to these points on the screen, you have to click here on Objects App Settings, and here you have to click on Dynamic Input and enable all. Okay. Now onward, if you type ID here and select the object start point, now you will see the point on the screen as well. Now if you want to type create a line here, now you will see the X and Y points on the screen while moving the cursor. You can place the line nearby these points. So I show you the four methods in which we can pick the point coordinate location in AutoCAD.